Alrighty, today we're having a look at the M12 Milwaukee Rivet gun. Look at that. Pretty straightforward. It's got the catcher on the back, but I'll take that off for today's demonstrations. You've got your different heads in there. They just sit in a little rubber grommet. Push them back in when you don't need them. So when you've got your right size head on there, you've got your little ring spanner that pops in there to take off the head. All you do, you slip in your battery. It's ready to go. Let's have a look here. Let's get one going. Pretty straightforward. And then when you pop in the other one, it pops out, as you can see there. So when you pop in your other one, it pops out into the catcher, but